Yogi Berra once quipped, "If the world were perfect, it wouldn't be." Presumably he was talking about baseball, and that imperfections in play are what make the game fascinating. His words could just as easily be applied to the universe. For if the universe were perfectly symmetric, then we wouldn't be here. Indeed, that saying by Yogi Berra perfectly captures the idea behind this book. Why are we here? Nature has an exquisite balance of physical laws that makes it possible for life, as we know it, to exist. There are no fewer than 10 ways that, if the balance of physical laws were changed ever so slightly, the resulting universe would be unrecognizable from our own. Perhaps some other form of life could exist in that hypothetical universe, but certainly life as it exists on Earth could not be present there. While some people might consider that exploration into how the universe could be different as a purely academic question, deeper questions arise as we explore this topic. Why is nature so perfectly balanced? Are there other physical laws yet to be understood that cause the universe to be this way? Is there a grand unified theory that could explain everything in nature? So this journey into the unknown is worth taking. It brings awareness that the universe we live in is delicate in its construction, and that life is precious. Chapter 1 starts with a fundamental question. How can the entire universe appear out of nothing? The answer to this is often sidestepped. Our current understanding of physical laws cannot tell us what was present before the Big Bang. However, there is more to this story. In recent decades, the theoretical concept of inflation, named in part because it ignited the Big Bang, has grown in popularity. One of the goals of this book is to explain inflation in language that is easy to understand, and hence explain how known physical laws allow something, the universe, to appear out of nothing. But the main topic of this book goes well beyond the Big Bang. Later chapters tackle other fundamental questions, such as, why are we here? And how is the universe structured to allow life to exist? The former question is perhaps more relevant to the field of philosophy than it is to science, but it also serves as a guide to formulating more specific scientific questions, such as, how do complex molecules form? And what physical laws are needed for life to begin? In exploring the answers to such scientific questions, it becomes evident that nature is slightly off balance, in just the way needed for life, as we know it, to exist.